In this age of information, education is going to be the vital resource a country needs to achieve development and prosperity. However, Nepal's education scenario remains far from satisfactory. Despite the better performance of private sector and civil society in providing education, the current discourse on education is overwhelmingly focused on criticizing the private sector for being profit-oriented and the increasing gap between the level of education in government-run schools and non-government schools. And there are talks about nationalizing every educational institution rather than discussing on ways to enhance the government-provided education. So what can be done to enhance the quality of education in public schools so that everyone gets quality education? Here are some ways. School voucher. In the current system, the government provides funds to school and the schools provide education to students. There is no direct link between the service provider and the consumer. This promotes lack of incentives for the schools to provide quality education. There is also lack of accountability because the government schools are responsible to the government, not the students. However, in private schools provide education to students and students provide the schools with their revenues. There is direct link between the service provider and the consumer. This promotes accountability and quality in the service. With school voucher system, we can achieve the same direct relation in the government schools as well. With the school voucher system, even the poor parents can choose where they want to send their children to. This will create incentives for both government and private schools to perform better and give better quality education so that they can attract more students. Another major problem Nepal has been facing is the lack of enrollment of children in schools. School voucher helps in solving this problem by providing incentives for even the private schools to seek out students for enrollment. But voucher system itself may not solve all the problems. There are other alternatives too. Government can support efforts of civil society like Samata Shiksha Niketan, which has been providing quality education for just ₹100 per month.
यो स्कुल 2058 सालमा स्थापना भएको स्कुल हो। स्कुलमा नर्सरी क्लासदेखि +2 सम्म पढाइ भइरहेछ। महिनाको जम्मा ₹100 फी हामीले लिन्छौँ। यस विद्यालयमा अहिले लगभग 3500 विद्यार्थी अध्ययनरत छन्। सबै यो निम्न वर्गका बच्चाहरू नै बढी यहाँ अध्ययन गरिरहेका छन्।
Government can also support initiatives like Teach for Nepal, which has been recruiting graduates from Kathmandu to teach in schools in rural areas.
Our mission is to bring some of the Nepal's best mind and future leaders into education, people who never thought of teaching. We want them to come and teach in public school system. We're starting small in one district with 30 fellows, but our dream and plan is to try to double every single year and scale into all 75 districts in Nepal. When I think of 10, 15, 20 years down the road, we hope to see thousands of young graduates actively working towards ensuring that every single Nepali child receives quality education.
So rather than engaging itself in the same old ineffective system of running schools, if the government focuses on facilitating better practices, we could achieve education for all. And not just education, but an equal education for all the students of the country.